Arrive in style with this Dodge 2018 Charger RT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include cargo net, black cloth sport seat, engine, 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT, STD, Toward Clear Coat, manufacturer's statement of origin, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD, quick order package 29 NRT included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, trailer sway damping RT badge, tires, P245/45 R20 BSWS performance, STD, and wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches premium painted aluminum, STD. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to